right, welcome to shop vlog number 3. This week we are starting out with a 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler Sahara. This thing's getting a 2.5-inch rough country lift. It's getting 20x9 fuel couplers and 35-inch BFG KO2s. So this thing should be a totally different Jeep when it's all done. All right, we just got an awesome shipment from our boys down at Wheel Pros in Kansas City. Whole bunch of stock wheels, a bunch of customer wheels. I mean, we've got Fuel Rebels that are going to be going on Nick's race truck here shortly. He doesn't know it yet, but they will be. We've got Fuel Hammers, we got Fuel Sabers, the Fuel Block. We've got some 24x12s going on a customer's build here very shortly. We got, I don't even know what's in here. More tires, 40, 1350, 24s for the TIS wheels, a bunch of Nitto Ridge grapplers. I mean, holy crap, that was a shipment and a half. All right, so we just finished up with this 05 Super Duty in here, getting quite a few different things. First thing, we did the Recon taillights on the back here. Pretty decent look for these. We're gonna be doing a rear bumper here shortly. We did the Falcon AT3W tires about a week ago or so. For the cab, we did the LUVERNE grip steps, which by far are one of my favorite steps, just the most functional ones on the market. And then on the front side is where it changed the most. Did the FabFours steel bumper on the front with the rough country SAE fog lights on there, so we can use this factory fog switch. And then did the Recon headlights as well with the DRLs. So definitely changed up the look quite a bit. There's still more to come on this one, but that's where we're at today. All right, so we're getting into soft top season, so we've definitely had quite a few of them in the shop here. This JK is getting a BESTOP SUPERTOP NX. So that's a full frame top that you can fold all the way back. You can still fold the front section, so we'll show all that in a little bit here. All right, so this is the finished product of that BESTOP soft top on there, the SUPERTOP NX. Pretty simple, looks just like the factory one. It's got the black diamond finish on it. The customer did ask us last minute to throw in a set of arc LED lights in the headlights, so we were able to do that for her. But other than that, just one of our most recommended and highly used soft tops that we offer. So we just finished up in the shop with this Suburban, possibly one of the cleanest 88 to 98 Suburbans that we've ever had come through the shop in quite some time. We did this lift probably about, I want to say about a year ago. And we had to do a full front end rebuild at that time. Not that it was in super bad condition or anything, but it was just that point of its life that it needed it and it hadn't had it before. We did a 6-inch rough country Ion 171 with the black and polished lip. We did the Milestar Patagonia MTs, the Go Rhino rack sitting on top of the Rhino rack crossbars, and then KC daylighters, obviously. And then just kind of a cleanup of everything. So it was in here today getting a new brake upgrade from PowerStop. We did the Z36 kit on here, which is the drilled and slotted version. So it should help out the braking status pretty substantially. So I heard you got a new toy, Tyler.
Yeah, so in the last video, Marty said that we were going to do some improvements on quality. We did figure out a little thing with the GoPro to make the quality a little better, but because I do photography on my own and I need this for my stuff too, went out and got a gimbal. So this should, basically what a gimbal does is it'll take the camera. There's 3 axes that will balance the camera left to right, forward, back, and you can rotate it, turn it, everything. So I couldn't use this camera before because it was shaky, obviously. So now that we have this, we can use my camera for actual vlog footage and whatnot. So we're gonna get this set up and then we'll probably go take it out somewhere and do a little testing with it, but we'll see you when we get there.
Pretty much everything filmed in vlogs has been done with our GoPro, what is it? Hero 9, yeah. Pretty much been filmed with our GoPro Hero 9, which is freaking awesome with the stabilization that they have in there. So, but this should make the cinematic portion of it so much better. And so, pumped to have a new product on there.
8 hours later.
All right, so we just got the gimbal all set up and squared away. We're about to go outside and do a little testing with it, but we'll see you out there.
How is it?
It's confusing. I don't understand how to use it.
Getting all the angles.
In good life.
I don't know how to use it.
Is it broke? It looks broken.
Oh, it's just locked.
It looks broken.
Maybe. Probably.
So after using it the first time, what do you think?
I need to rebalance the tilt on it because it was sitting like slightly crooked, but minor details. I like it though.
Hey, look, there's a helicopter.
I don't think you can see it in this.
That's pretty neat.
It's pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
Nature. It's pretty neat.
Get
Get a close up.
Several days later.
So after I started editing, I went back and realized that we didn't really cut it off anywhere. We just kind of ended. So here is what we did with the gimbal. Nothing crazy. Still have to figure out how to use it and how to like the fine tune and everything. But here's what we got. Alright, so that's going to be it for this shop vlog. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you guys have made it this far. We just want to say thank you for always supporting us, liking our videos, commenting, talking to us on Instagram, just everything. We just want to say thank you. Let us know if you have any ideas and what you guys want to see. We'll see you next time.